GHS da bay na sa kwala no oba beye
Mame Mau Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wo frɛ me adwoa searching ebusafo OmanHene yaw edubuache na ende obo his excellency the former president na Addo Akuffo na about so o kire se free SHS and another at the buy ne de ebeboa papa na omo ekansem efa pensioners omo Ghana hanom titiru pay teachers ene se Ghana teachers omo pay no say omo 100 years kwanya de papa bia no beti me de aye omo ko pension omo ko fie nso a omo asetinem omo ndan mu eyasem nti affordable houses a aban bi be obesi no na omo discuss say bi omo beti me po free bi akwakotenem omo negotiation na de asensem na omo keka na OmanHene kire say imagine say wako pension as a teacher na wunya bebia wo de wuti beto na wasanso de wo ba ni school aka ho enti no na Addo free SHS na de ba de bebo obia na esanso eto aso ho na me ne OmanHene enya adwen free SHS na eto aso egu if you care to know your last born eko free SHS ni bi enti enim na ekoso wo school ho no mo fa ni aduane ndi a whole lot of things na ekoso unlike na Addo no de buy no okra mu 8 years ansa na okono NDC for dream education ho it's free SHS now as I'm talking to you now no egu ten John Dramani Mahama his excellency abra na all your campaign ebe gina CPA so ebe ka so on be ne better send the ona kasa mpo de buy no Ghana fo gidi na me ya o say Ghana fo yen kan send me bre yenti nsema OmanHene de etudwa
salary ke 3,000 a month. You see, oh, nya 3,000. David. Or sad the car. Then you buy a kit to acquire the any summer by also to acquire school fees. And it's handy man, near my baby woman Tino. Most civil servants come home sick within a year and a stroke. And just stroke, ya dear nominee.
The honor I contact you in Barbados soon.
Yes.
You have your barber Jenny say, Saketiana na Unyana Busumi Biana MBU. Sisi so barbete. Ye bichemu mienu ni amanafa na fi ne bills ensesa ne chop money ensesa ebe kosoro sa okodwomu a emo no ene anwa the same price na ba na ketua ne ye bichemu mienu ni amanafa so hunte basa na dwendwene kwa kodoso se ni tira anye ye na se bia ne ma wawo mu no ebia mpegya na ebia bosomi wo de kakra bi bebre ne se mu eno so akoya se GHS da bay na sa kwala no oba beye oh yes
ebeboa omo papa sa mfie nwotwe eni mfie to aso ya free SHS wo we na that time ya akọ pension na wo ba eko free SHS ana wo ba wie school eko pe nursing
obede wa hwe no
to me
I don't know.
Oh, we have a problem. Housing no ya
papa rent control papa na komona ni netina no pay na weda on paper there send you see kan nsem no okokrata so a no paper no a ohwe so akasa kire yi FFF akota de ehwe sa aban so okwakusi dan odi ya akotabusa wo ho se anyembia anti president sa housing project ya esi e ba be anwia no mo di besi dan e different from the Ghana for no se makwa konya half plot to be na kweta me si me sie bi a 3 bedrooms bi esi wa eya na anwia na aban di sine housing project no ya na different from here de na cement na ya no oto na kweta omo de na different na iron rods na ya no moto no edisi affordable housing saglemi housing de house no musira kweta ya na different na wo ya kweta ya hwe aban yesi aban yesi dan yesi won makweta dan we yesi we si ye bone bo pa per unit say baako esi wonum no akota ye bobo baako de akire wa na de kototo ho se Ghana ni so ebia wotiti ne mawure mu kakra wetimasi ebia 3 bedrooms na ye busan se bia o de say ne si ebia obe check ebia be 150,000 ebia 200,000 bi so hu eno de si ye but aban de no kra konta aban to asase o ba Ghana ni no se me ye madwen se me kwa kusini a me to asase eti asase aba be ka me cost ho ni nyina mu no Ghana ni timi sit down no
5 billion
asidan ne kama no tim but aban dia o se wasi a wan to asase no many aban nyina akoto cement baako many aban nyina anwea no trip no trip baako say ten the same thing ye nyina ye to no aba kra de do ba bi a mutimi sa afa no fo anwen so na ayi ayon rossi mo to no bebiri akota e wo form ye de e koto no one ton
in bulk.
Aye.
When you buy something in bulk,
yes.
you get a bigger discount.
Cement here near $10
only gasem so you Ghana. Only gasem bet you contract.
Yes. Partnership.
One cement I turn just so
ebia 100 cities.
I buy bet you say me here ebia 50,000 cement within a week.
Yes.
For projects in it, remember 70. Gasem be swama.
Or the manufacturing price.
Kono turn 80 cities. You be no, not per unit no. Me bono. I buy the times 2.
Akutaya na buy the no ne bo odene dodo nti na say omo de to so affordable no a. Aya na minim so Works and Housing Ministry no and rent control for you. Akutaya bia Osanke bi omo ye research bi eda ho no mo said the ordinary Ghanaian no so osi dan no osi 2 bedrooms osi 3 bedrooms bi e de esi ho no mo a ya omo nko new site ni bi omo nko ye communities no omo nko bu so omo senti wo de ya wusisi we e bi asai e kasai na including e bi a asase na otoye no na de for betutu na ti asase na de for betutu aban de wo ban kra onto asase akota de desua asase ye da hoyi won tuaka so na nanom de afemo se munsi ebi wokra se bia ne kro ni bebie ne kro ni be fe na so na mosie gon ba ye koto asase kura akoye wo eniema ne ade no ya ne ye de na yesie no ne bo no wo fom che abai de nti abai wo se wo si affordable but me wo affordable ni akota ye kotu you say $100,000 ye kotu bi $200,000 de wait teacher ni me dem aktua $100,000 dia atodan
100,000 cra so
yeah a quick one now up here is Aquasi Ringold, the former OmanHene of Assume, the so-called chief that constantly we have been seeing him on media attacking the MPP. Pay attention and let me give you the genesis, the reason why he's doing that, and I'll play the video, then you watch. Now when you check up here, that is the picture of Aquasi and the deputy finance minister when he went and inaugurated him as the board chairman of Ghana Commodity Exchange in 2025. Now why is Aquasi constantly attacking the MPP? In 2024, Aquasi Ringold, he was distooled as OmanHene of Assume because of misconduct. And from there, Aquasi believed that the MPP played a role that led his distoolment, that made them to distool him. He believed that MPP people influenced and he was distooled. So Aquasi, after he was distooled, Aquasi started attacking the MPP. But you know Ghana, the media, they are aware that he's not a OmanHene. But to get a better headline and to also make his words look more heavier, they will put that OmanHene of Assume. But the facts remain that he was distooled and is nowhere near that position again. Now, one thing I like about Aquasi Ringold is that he's a smart man. When he attacked the MPP, and the NDC came into power, they were sharing positions and they forgot of Aquasi. So quickly, Aquasi called bloggers to his house. But as a man who is very wise, he didn't attack President John Dramani Mahama. He started attacking Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia again, just like he did in 2024. Then quickly, it got to the president attention that this happens to be one of the chiefs that we used against the MPP. We didn't give him anything, and they gave him reward. That is how come the deputy finance minister went and inaugurated him as a board chairman of Ghana Exchange Commodities. You get it? So get your facts right. The media, you can't force them how to write their headlines. They want things that will catch Ghanaians' attention. Now Aquasi has used certain words again. You know, it's now agenda. It is their agenda boy, and Bank of Ghana losses are there. So they have pushed Aquasi to say something. Let's pay attention and listen to what Aquasi said. Just listen to the words he used. Pay attention.
That Ghanaians must sentence that generation of thieves, that generation of robbers and looters to 40 years in the wilderness.
Yeah, so you heard the words. Imagine MPP member or a Ghanaian calling President John Dramani Mahama and Professor Jenano Puku Ajimai that they are armed robbers, they are thieves, and they are looters. This current dictatorship governance we are witnessing, certainly they will call you to come to police station with evidence to show that Mahama is actually armed robber or Professor Jenano Puku Ajimai is actually a thief. But this is the current state of Ghana. They have monopolized insult and attacks and accusations. It has become the NDC's personal property. If you are not insulting someone on behalf of NDC, you don't have the right to insult or attack. This is how they monopolize it. Look at the words he used against the MPP. This should tell you the reason why he was destroyed. The chief, words like this cannot come out from a reasonable or a proper chief that is leading people. Yes, we know that all chiefs belong to political parties, but because of the positions they are holding, they are mindful of how they use their words. But this is now an agenda former OmanHene of Assume that is going around parading himself as a chief or a OmanHene. And you get it. So what all that he's doing revenge.